Mga ka-Nose! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Brian Gesto. And for today's Taste Test Review episode, a must-try and bestsellers by Hana Akari.
We just got to keep it rolling. There's no time to be wasting. I'd just rather move it along. Got both feet but in different waters. I need space more than orders. I'd just rather move it along. I know how you're feeling, 'cause sometimes I do tight.
Hana Akari, a Sakura Vibes Cafe and a thrifty shop. They're located at MV Hechanova, Jaro, Iloilo City, near Total Gas Station and beside Torche Store Photocopy. For delivery options, they're also available via Foodpanda app. For fullest of menus and other details, I'll provide description down below. And for this episode, this is a sponsored brand review, and disclaimer naman is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or taste test reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always ka notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click notification bell icon. And kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong ngayon sa aking channel. This is Mango Graham Sundae for 100 pesos. Also known as Mango Float, a Filipino icebox cake dessert made with layers of ladyfingers, graham crackers, whipped cream, condensed milk, and ripe mangoes. Iced Mochaccino for 85 pesos. The coffee drink cappuccino made with chocolate. For this drink, it has a right balance for its coffee essence and also for its chocolatey feel or mocha. It's a creamy brown sugar Bobba milk tea, a bubble tea variant that has no tea in it. Smoky appearance, caramel flavor, just fresh milk, brown sugar syrup, and tapioca pearls. This is Majestic Unicorn for 150 pesos. Instagrammable Frappe blend is a colorful designs unicorn theme. Perfect for kids, sweet lovers, for food selfies. This is their cereal killer for 180 pesos. For this cute Frappe experience, the same quality for its red velvet flavor, essence, and also for its garnishes for this sweet blend. New York sandwich for 85 pesos. A classic Rio Ben sandwich with all natural pasarami with Russian dressing, braised green cabbage, ported Swiss cheese on thick slices of marble bread, and grilled golden brown. These are corn dog for 75 pesos. A hot dog covered in cornmeal butter, fried, and served on a stick. These are Nachos Overload for 85 pesos. Very crispy and also has a big size for their nachos. Pwede pang solo or sharing. These are Fries Overload for 100 pesos. It has an excellent fries texture, flavor, and also for its overall appearance and taste value. Before you go, for one patty burger for 120 pesos. For this unique name for burger, it has the same consistency and components for a classic burger. It has these delicious sauces and also for its overall ingredients. Mapapawaw ka sa sarap. This is double patty burger. This busog-lusog burger, sulit ka na for its overall ingredients, patty, also for its sauces, can be consumed 1 or 2 persons. Okay, for rating mga Nose, based on my experience and overall review with Ilonggo vloggers, will give it a perfect 10. The colorful Sakura vibes and also for its cool hand-painted murals with fashionable items, bags, and a lot more. Eye-appealing, delicious, affordable food finds and drinks. Sulit ka na at busog ka pa. And magpasalamat ako sa mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko, kay Heart, Shake, and kay Biboy Vlog TV. And thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Hana Akari, sa mga staff, chefs, baristas, and owners. Once again, congratulations and thank you to Hana Akari. Stay safe mga Nose. See you on the next brand, business review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye! Bye! Bye!